Hi, my name is Kofi. I'm a videographer and photographer based in Miami, Florida. And I recently had some issues with a Western Digital 2 terabyte drive that I've used for several years, which contained a lot of very important documents, photos, video files that I've collected over the years. And that drive just failed. So I was able to do a quick Google search. I came across Pitts, liked what they had to say about their services, and gave them a call. After a quick consultation, they informed me that they would send out a slip for me to ship the drive to them. It was an easy process. They answered all of my questions and gave me the assurance that they would take a look at the drive and see what they could do. And within a few days, they did just that. They evaluated the drive, gave me the diagnosis, and after a few more days, they were able to determine that they could recover everything on the drive. So I was very pleased with that. The service, the communication is great. So I would highly recommend them to you.